it's getting sketchy. I'm going to back up a little more and I'm going to get it. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back and welcome to episode number 14. This video and project will not disappoint. Phil's going to get in trouble again, either once or twice. I don't remember until I edit here, where I had to pull him out and he almost took a dive with the tractor off the backside of the pond dam. We also have some drone footage from today, and let's see if we manage to get him off of the pond dam safely once or twice and enjoy the rest of this pond dam project. It seems like today might go pretty well. Well, let's see how it goes. Thanks. All right, so as you could tell, the dirt is more moist. You could see I hit some a nice vein of wet clay. So we kind of switched off, when Phil would get stuck, or we'd, risk rolling him down the backside of the pond dam. Then I'd come on and I'd grade it out level with the blade, with the excavator, because it's more stable on the pond dam that's so narrow. So we'll keep working at this, but we ain't done yet. Today's episode still has some legs on it, I guarantee you that.
Be a little slow, but we'll try it. Them rocks. Let me make you a new pile quick from back there. Alright, now I'm down at the base again. Decided to try and steal some more dirt from down here. Except I got a stubborn tree right now. Trying to get to them trees we had to cut down midway. Get them out of the way. And it'll be a lot easier me to get dirt onto the backside there.
So while I'm down here trying to get some decent dirt up on top for Phil, he's still getting dirt that I had dug from the borrow pit on the other end of the pond dam. So we're double teaming it. So the garbage dirt like this I can put on the back of the dam, but if I get some good clean stuff, then I reach all the way up to the top and give him some more. This is the last really narrow spot, but trust me, we're going to push the envelope yet again.
That's too close, man. Sheepers. We built it too high. But once it gets settled in and all that, it'll work. I mean, this is how they built ponds in the old days. Like our old pond as an example, like when they built them even before machines, the dams were basically as straight up and down as it would take just to hold the dam in. That's all. The 4-to-1 slope on the back was never a thing, you know, until they started, you know, with bigger machines and that. I mean, obviously they hold better, but if you got a good core trench in here, and once the dirt settles and grows weeds in that, and you get root formation, then she'll hold. Man, Phil, it's getting sketchy. I'm going to back up a little more and I'm going to get him some more dirt up there right now. Trees in the way, got nowhere left to dig, and I'm getting dry dirt, but that's all we got right at the moment. I really want to get rid of this daggum oak tree sitting right next to me. Another sketchy one here.
All right, so if you watch, his left two tires are soft and they're sinking down the back of the pond dam, and as I pull them, that rear end is going to start tipping towards the back of the pond dam. So this is easily a very high risk of rolling that thing down the dam. So let's we're going to be careful trying to get them out here. I don't remember if this is the last time where we call it in for the day with the tractor or not, but let's see.
Oh! Oh! Yep, I think we overdone it.
Okay, so after reassessing this one, you could kind of see where I moved the chain to. I moved it up on that front side so that while I'm pulling, It's going to pull down on his front right tire because that rear left tire is the one that wants to sink, and which could roll it down the pond dam. So I switched to chain. Let's see how this one's going to go.
You see it already bringing it up?
All right, so at this point, Phil literally did not want to be in the cab, so that's why he's standing on the outside. In case it does roll down, he can jump right off of it. That's why he's standing there. So let's continue this one.
You see it already bring that rear wheel up.
Yeah, I got to turn the wheel, try to turn back. Give it just a small pull.
Hey! Change the anchor point all the way over here. Woo. That's it, we're done with that tractor. We're done with that tractor.
All right, so here's the last drone shot. Shortly before our last episode here of getting stuck, and then I'm going to give you an after look here in just a few seconds. But thankfully, nothing happened. We accomplished the mission. We got this thing built up substantially, and let's do an after look here now, guys. And again, if you like our stuff, please hit the like button. We greatly appreciate that, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, here's the after look for today. We tried to clean up some of this, but it's just slimy muck. We were pretty successful in getting that pond dam much higher. Although we got the tractor stuck a few times. One of them was pretty sketchy. So I got more, cleanup to do of all the piles around here, and I gotta daylight that borrow pit over there. And there's a water cut that comes in right here. So I'm gonna not block it, but I'm gonna reroute it. I'm gonna reroute that around the pond because we don't need more water. Just the water coming off this hill is plenty. So pretty successful. I just noticed that I can't see the pipe. I'm gonna go find that and open it up quick, but we'll see how she holds up. I mean, she sealed up pretty good. It was compacting even more today yet on us, but probably throw some grass seed mix on here. This corner kept sinking on me. That's why I just gave up on it. I wanted to bring it up and it just kept sinking, so I figured, oh, I'm done. We're done.